Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, I'm gonna show you some of the best pictures that I have clicked using my Raynox DCR-250 macro snap-on lens. So let's get started. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Thank you. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And in today's video, I'm going to show you some of the best pictures that I have clicked using my Raynox DCR-250. And I have used both my 1855mm and 7300mm kit lenses for these photos, and obviously I think the 7300 works better because obviously it gives me more magnification and more shallow depth of field. But I'm going to mention the lens name and complete EXIF details with each photo so that you can study them. And now let the Raynox slideshow begin. So guys, these are some of the best photos that I have clicked using my Raynox DCR-250 macro snap-on lens, and I hope you liked the pictures, and in case you did, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which Raynox or macro photography tutorials you wanna see next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous Raynox tips video. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.